Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Chat with Melisa. Today, I have the privilege of speaking with Sumit Sharma, Senior Manager Product Support at UiPath. Hi, Sumit. I want to welcome you to this episode and thank you for taking the time.
Hi, Melisa. Thank you for having me.
Sumit, you talk to customers, interact with customers on a daily basis. You understand their pain points. You actively listen to their feedback. And you also have a team whom you empower to have this customer first mindset. So, in short, it's all about customer centricity. And in today's episode, I would love to hear your insights about customer centricity and how you balance this equation of customer experience and excellence. On that note, let's get started. My first question to you is, how do you define customer centricity within the team?
Customer centricity to me is putting customer at core of our every action.
Mhm.
You focus on the customer, understanding their challenges, listening to them, anticipating their potential issues, be proactive in your approach, and then you try to resolve their issues, which will help them not short-term, long-term fixes as well. And ultimately, it is making sure that when customer reaches out to UiPath product support, they have a seamless and great customer experience.
That's right. You made some very good points about being proactive in our approach, and how you take it forward from there. And you have a team whom you manage, and you foster this team culture of customer first mindset in them. So how do you do that? How do you empower your team to have this customer first mindset?
I think that's the great point you made, the customer first mindset.
Yeah.
It starts with customer empathy. We have to empathize with the customer,
Yeah.
listen to them, what they're trying to say, what are the problems they have, and how we can resolve them, how we can help them achieve their business goals. Because if their business grows, we have achieved our objective. And to build this, we do a lot of sessions, training sessions internally, where we focus on customer first mindset, what we can do to prioritize the customer needs, what processes we can streamline, how we can do things that reduce the turnaround time for the customers. And we try to build a team culture of customer first. Then we also do a lot of feedback sessions where we share the feedback that customer has shared, what we can do to improve on it and make sure next time customer reaches out to us, they have a great experience. We do have recognize and reward our team members who become example of customer delight. We reward them, we share their success stories with the team that acts as an example for the entire team to follow.
Wow, those were great points. I liked how you started by empowering your team, by enabling them, conducting training sessions, and letting them play their roles on having this customer first mindset, and also recognizing their efforts and appreciating them by providing awards and rewards. And ultimately, the mindset is not just customer satisfaction, but also customer delight, which is great. Okay, on that note, what role does employee engagement play in delivering exceptional customer experience, according to you?
To me, it plays a vital role
Mm-hmm.
because an engaged employee, they bring energy and commitment
Yeah.
when they are interacting with the customer.
Right.
They will ensure that we provide, top quality service to the customer. They feel motivated, they feel connected to the company's vision, the team's vision, team's goals,
Mm-hmm.
and they will go above and beyond to make sure that we do our job like perfectly.
Yes.
They will ensure that we meet our commitments that we have made to the customer, and they will do all these steps. They will take all the actions to ensure that once we have interacted with the customer, we come out of a customer who is delighted with the quality of the support and service we have provided. So we need to keep employees engaged, foster a culture of collaboration,
Yeah.
foster a culture of where people are able to work together, and it just becomes a motto of the team: customer first, collaboration,
Yeah.
and doing things correctly.
That's great. Those were great points. Thank you for that. Moving on, just before this, you made a mention of customer feedback, understanding customer pain points. Let's talk a little bit about that. It is really crucial to understand customer pain points, actively listen to their feedback, and gather insights. How do you do that?
We have variety of channels where we gather the customer feedback. A lot of those are customer satisfaction ticket surveys, and we have NPS surveys. We have surveys which are ES surveys which are taken by our enterprise customers. Then there is some. We also do a lot of customer connects where we meet our customers and we try to hear their feedback in person. What kind of challenges they are facing, what we can do from support to do better, what we can do from support side, what we
Yeah.
can do better, what feedback they have for the product team, how they think product can do better. And we take that feedback, we analyze it, we try to identify the common trends and patterns. And once we have identified the trends, then we try to find what are the areas where we can improve, what are the innovations we can do to meet the customer needs. If we can fasten some processes, we try to do our best. It basically, once you got all the feedback, you listen to that feedback sincerely, and then you take actions to ensure that you meet the standards that customer wants us to meet.
Wow, that was really interesting. I liked how you made that progressive shift, from starting from listening to their feedback, understanding, analyzing the feedback, and then following the patterns or the trends and being innovative and taking action, which is very good. Thank you for sharing that with us. Okay, moving forward, let's talk a little bit about technology. Of course, UiPath is a product-based company, and technology plays an important role. So, how do you think, or what role does technology play in enhancing customer experiences? Do you somewhere feel that it's a trade-off between, cost of the technology, customer satisfaction, and experience?
We like to think of technology as a friend. Technology in today's world of AI and automation can deliver faster solutions and
Yeah,
more personalized solutions.
yeah,
That personalized touch is very important in today's world of customer support.
yes,
Customer needs to know that they're valued, their input is valued,
yeah,
what the products they're using, it's providing value to their business. And AI and automation and other technology tools, they go a long way in fulfilling that gap. We have done a lot of have own solutions internally as well, where we have used AI, we have used automation products from UiPath itself
hmm,
to create such solutions. We have AI-driven chatbots that
yeah.
help customer resolve the issues. We do sentiment analysis of the ticket that helps us proactively identify the escalations where we need to intervene and reduce the customer dissatisfaction and convert it to a satisfaction.
Hmm.
And we do a lot of proactive analysis, try to do some use some analytics, try to see what are the trends and patterns are coming, what kind of tickets customers are raising, what kind of issues they are, is there any common trends in the feedback. We use AI and automation for those analysis, and then that analysis helps us a lot to streamline our process and to perhaps give our best to the customer whenever we interact with them.
Wow, that's great. I liked your sincere approach and your answer where you said technology is a friend, and also how you are so keen at providing customized solution to customers, keeping AI and automation in mind, which is cutting edge technology. Okay, now a curious question. How do you stay ahead of the curve, or what is that you do to stay ahead of industry trends and customer expectations?
Um, we just, first of all, we have to monitor what is happening in the industry,
Yes.
follow some technical blog posts, some YouTube channels,
Mhm.
posts on LinkedIn to see what are the latest trend in the industry, what people are talking about it, right? Right now, everybody's talking about agents like
Yeah.
this. So we have to stay along with the advancement that is happening in the technology. Then you try to stay along with it in terms of technical, making sure that your team is upskilled for the new technology trend that is coming.
Yeah.
We also use customer feedback as one of the tools as well to see what feedback customer has to give, where customer feels we can improve as per the latest trends. We do also measure us against certain industry benchmarks, which are there in the domain of our product or across what different product companies are doing, how where we are, in comparison to those benchmarks. And then, of course, taking all that knowledge, taking all that information, how we can use that information to benefit us. And then what we can do to then pass on that benefit, pass on that, improve ourselves, passed on that excellent support to the customers. And ultimately, that was we're trying to do. I mean, to learn, take the inputs from the technology and make sure that we do a better. Every time when we are doing a review, we do better from the last time.
Fantastic. That is a great answer. Again, I liked your honest reply, on how you keep yourself updated, upskill yourself, and also empower your team, motivate your team so that they are upskilled and learn more about technology and help your customers. Indeed, definitely you have a customer first mindset, and customer centricity is a key term for you, which is very evident. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sumit, on that note, I want to thank you for sharing your expertise and experience. Thank you once again. It was great talking to you.
It was great talking to you. Thank you for having me.
All right, viewers, we hope you enjoyed this conversation and found it inspiring and insightful. UiPath, being a product-based company, has a lot of product offerings, and UiPath Academy has a lot of product-based courses related and relevant to our product offerings. Not just that, we also have role-based learning journeys and certifications. Do take a look at them, enroll, get certified, and stay ahead of the curve. Until then, happy automation and happy learning. Bye.